Nakaliang ka MBoSE mentaka singi kala benar ya ka result jong ka SSLC ha ka ba na ki nriu pulai hajar tam ki kena ki balai kun ya ka ni ke exam san pusan hajar tam ki bala pass ladang ya pet ya ka result ha ka percentage hi ha UR hajar ar pusau san pusan persen ki don ki kena ki bala pass henre mentau snam kani ka jing pass kala ki hadu prapnyo persen ka jing pas jing ki kena mentau snam te ki don na ki kena ki ba de na ki than nong kendong ki don na ki school ru ki ba kim pat jumi kerteng sisien ru ban yo ha ka top 20 hinre mentau snam nilai I ya kata ka jing le bah jong ki kena tin na kaleng jungi hing nilai yo ban ya kran ni ki kat tu kat ningut ki kena mat kum ju ru ya ki principal jong ki school bafer ki bala wan shakmat ha ka ni ka exam.
It was a very overwhelming moment for me. I mean, I'm still in shock. I couldn't believe my eyes when I, submitted my roll number and saw my results. It was a really, shocking moment for me. I was like, it's me who got 97. That dream coming true is, it's something very overwhelming. And I want to give all my thanks to my teachers, be it my school teachers and my tuition teachers, because without their support, this would never be possible. And even my family, they have supported me. And St. Margaret's, thank you is not enough for that, how much that school has given me. It's a dream come true, and I'm really, really happy. Thank you, everyone. And I just want to say, if you vision something, put all your hard work, be concentrated, then you can also achieve. That is my advice.
Also, I'm excited and I'm to go for it because tistam hati yang kau apa kan, tistam jangan kan bau mah, berhakibri even punya bar kita tistam. Ini ya kasih am kai pun kamera fokus kau jadi tinggal care ni kai nak kai not macam. Aku apa dok begini, dia aku apa nong doktor aku apa ni dah fikir even I even I dah net pasal pakai mah. No tahu fikir dia orang dari benda beri doktor nanti minta like dia beri doktor dia minta apa. Yo pun bisa pada yang kami semua kata aku asyik I katakan jingkau jikha fikir but kata aku bisa bayar suka bani dah fikir ban dia fikir orphanage Tetapi benda benda syarikat dreams on.
Overwhelmed, very happy, and I'm proud that I can make the school happy also, all the teachers and system. In teachings, as well as extracurricular activities, we have sports, we have functions, as well as studies, and we here the teachers have showed us how to keep those two parts in balance. To get good results, you need to get your mind. It's not any distraction, but this is a help. This will build our confidence. This will make us self-aware, right? So I think this is very important. Extracurricular activities are important. This is a part of study.
I didn't expect such a good result, but I'm happy, very, very happy. Like, I've been studying in St. Margaret's since class nursery. St. Margaret's is my second home after my family. So this is a very different experience that I got this, and I can make all the sisters and all the teachers proud.
We're really happy. Our teachers have helped us a lot. They have contributed a lot. We are really happy. We have worked hard. It's like not only our efforts, but it's everyone's efforts. My parents, my teachers, and everyone else. The guidebook was launched like just before the exam, so I don't think so. We have worked the whole year. We have worked really hard. So guidebook then it was launched just before the exams.
It is a new measure to increase the literature rate in Meghalaya. So I think it's really helpful, and it's not like we had it the whole year, so we couldn't take the maximum input from it. But then, however it helped in a really good way. Whole year, our teachers and principal, they helped us a lot, and the main credit would obviously go to my parents because they supported and motivated throughout the year. Even if there were ups and downs, they were always there for me. And major credit also goes to my friends because of them, I've spent a lot of time with them. So who I am today is also, molded by them a lot.
Congratulations. So happy. You expected?
First thing, I want to congratulate my girls they really work very hard and they listen to whatever we say. And secondly, I want to thank my teachers who give 100% to our students. So I think put together the students' effort and my teachers' effort, they have excelled. So for the first time, we have 7 positions in the school, and I'm delighted and elated. I think hard work is the only method where they can succeed in life. So we have to direct them on how to use mobiles with so much of care so that they don't overuse it and waste their time. At the same time, we have to teach them on how to use mobiles and internet that they have in their hands with dedication and commitment so that they get the best of everything.
Kong siap ban ai buron yang blai kan rat brawan namar bakane ka chinjap chunga ka kong kadai na kaching na kadaw ba ule ma u ngai tiru ya kane ka chinjap chunga saya email pa chunga yaki param kelas ru kibla kersan lam minga bat ya baro kibala kersan lam minga ka chindwa chunki bat kibla rap minga kane presa kat kila sini Nakem kami di beliau ekne kendang, nasiu dua beliau beli, hai bekerja cuma kan mau kebuhat, nanti bekat kebala, te kontak ke nasiu, nakem kerman hirai nasiu, nakem berdur dengan dia ekne kendang, yang mentah, kan dia cuma kalong, dah ubeli beli yang kuat belum riulah, namar kene berok kadai kecil lek cuma beli, kaya kesem cuma kadap kecil keku, namar kecil lek cuma tu. Tahi melihat dan kumpar ke senengu bat pi yakin lagi pon mentah kajing seni kidang kan roy ke ngaruk mengkok kan lek ina kan kam kajang ban irap ki ban kri ki bri shambai dikasih pak gai napai madu malahan rei ngamda senya tu namar kadai na kajing kai jung ki mai kai pernah kakot hi kabar lak penirap ini bukan sekali kami message kepada aku aban ai kalong kajing pulih juni kalong kum kamarathon imla panjam syaka bekut hasil senjam ini banyak step suki mana kasih mana ka ya indai kajing tu kadai indai ngidai badan ha jebing juni ngidai ban penkut ngidai ban ya halak kat pelan
ai burung sebelah baladon dekat kayang kesan juni berkun juni hak juni krek juni kesam baladon be pedang tagamet put kaya ulan pelekot ha kunju kadai juni krek juni juni tristum juni balem kai juni kata ye ke burung ke maya ni tena yang ke pada berkun ke ba kat ndak ndak ke ni chu kai di kuno bakin long ba kuno bakin krek ba re ya kata kajing dia kadai kamon itu ke buat dia kata gaba kijit bagi setengah ini par milong tang kinong support kita ini setengah tapi marga jinggi juni baga ta ke bagi kijit kalau gaba tu ini support kata kalau kono
kepenikong na sango yuble numbo no Thaw ubala ayanga kemet kebokot bikya bala yarap nga hakapor exam da banaka exam bad kumjuru bala dan kalaman nga hakapor banganang tingkra exam ayanga kemet kebokot kebakya narbasam ay nguru iknaikai imay pa giju kersana nga giju MNC nga barbon o imay pa perlaki na sini hendra yana changa dan changa giju MNC nga giju kersana nga but ni vice principal ru kumjo pepenya ini ke school but kam tam iknaikai ba MNC nga giju kersana nga manla kasni ngamala ruban klet ikiparlo giju MNC nga giju kersana nga nakai kasni jo kai kasni pat te batu I nong sumar janga ngasat ong khat I kong te I kapor exam I bayar apa nga I pen sajan pentiu penshet I pelele mai ina rasatong te kum ka jingsu tu janga bangin poi chagani ka top 20 list kane kemun bangin record prakanta kanai kanta khat kanta bangin thya arbaje ngin khi arbaje alabaje ka chuang bangin long consistent age jungpuli joni dangin record tang arkata men step arkata jemi kata labian bingin long consistent man kasni kata kadai banga record man kasni consistency kadai kawai bangin boy kringa thau markanan kadai ka jing ong ka ong ba hard work beats talent if the talent does not work hard. Te kani kan ka kentian ke bab chu MNC menga hot ngam dei iba start na du mon chadang du ngam kam ju om ka position ki ma janga le ma chadang du kire ba te na du bangawan sekolah gi GP ken ba untuk ke ba lapan ka lai nga bangan ko awan kra ka ba banga ko awan minat ba na du banga tan ka online class te nga tuna hi ki mas na ba online class na dari na du banga class e nga kami orang serius ikat jumpa dia. Kita orang ikan tian ki baju amin siang ki ba motivate dengan semua thad kalau ko aman give up nak jumpa dia. Kita ikan tian ki poetry ba thau sa tham ka pang ba la phir ba la pitla jar jar la phir ba yang. Bo amba pin la ka chata ka tempat kanam. Kini ikan tian ngasu ba ba ha ka kendra ma ba ke tangla sa thad ayu ngasu pe ini ikan tian biju amin siang nga ba ko aman move on back ko aban track kamistom le kamistom
kumi principal ni dak dak jing su kaman ka crowd ya kan jing yo ajung ya kan result but ka jing yo position jo ini ibe ni ki khna school jungi bi kerteng ipi dawan bo ti kaburam baro ni kong eng ashi ublei bat na pan paro ha kan ka pod ka jing su ka jonga ya ki baro kino hikai ki blei treshi tom na bentaban wanra ya kan ka jing job hai ipi dawan bo bat ba yo kan ka result ka ba penso bahar ini baro ha kan resmi I one school hani na do class 6 but ide ikna iba minat ha iba treshi tom ikna iba jarjar but iba don kata kajing angnut ba in le ha but ba in yo ya kan ka result ka ba ha kan ka jing le examen jong iya ka SSLC examination ho kan ka jing yo position jong ipi da wan bok ka da long sha ka jing aimen siam ya kin ki khna school jong school ka jongi ba ki ru ken treshi tom ko balong ba I ki ru ken IT met bat men siam khanang ba ki ru kin du yo kom ya kan result ka ba ipi da wan bok ila ai kan nuksa mentau usne.
To tell you very frankly, I did not expected such a good result. I would like to give a special thanks to my aunt and my mother who helped me a lot in achieving this. Secondly, I would like to thank my teachers, my family members. Without them, it would not have been possible for me to achieve all this. So all those goals should be clear. You have to determine motivation should be there. Without motivation, you cannot do it. And that was all how I did it.
I'm very excited to tell that yes, this is the first time our students they see got food placed. Now it was a long cherished dream for the school to have our name in the first top 20, and this is the first time we got it. Yes, actually, she's a student from our school only. She studied out from nursery to class 10, and yes, she was a very good student, of course. And the teachers also, they helped her a lot. Almost all the teachers, those who were teaching her, they helped her a lot, and she deserved actually. Definitely, this result is going. Her result is going to motivate the student, because the student they need motivation. Now there's a problem with the students; they lack motivation nowadays, and this kind of result naturally it will motivate the other students to do well.